Now, I'm showing you, we have our 6 base pairs for this part of the gene, and we're going to show you transcription translation. We have the RNA polymerase, which comes and surrounds part of it. And this will be our starting point where inside this complex it begins to break the hydrogen bonds and unwind the DNA. So this is all taking place inside the transcript RNA. Now what happens then is that these parts split up. You will start having free-floating nucleotides over here, and here it will start here. Because here it will go the 5' to 3'. So it'll start placing a nucleotide here and here. So there we will need a U. Because messenger RNA does not have thymine, it has uracil Z. And here we have another U. And these will bond together. They match up here, but they don't form hydrogen bonds. They just match up. Here we need a C. So here we'll have a C will bond. And this is messenger RNA. So this is the same as that. That's the messaging. That's the messaging in here. And you see how T is changed to U on there. Okay, so now this is in the nucleus, and this is going to go outside to the ribosome. Outside the nucleus to the ribosome to bring the message. So here we're bringing a message out of this leaves the complex, and it will leave the entire. Then what happens here is these go back together. In other words, the DNA was unwound, and then the RNA transcription complex came and read it, and it figured out what the message is. Now here's where this is going to be translated into protein. So here we go to the first codon, UC, and we look at here, U. This will bring the transfer RNA that has the anticodon UGAAC, and that transfer codon is like a forklift, and it brings the leucine here. Now this causes, when this happens, this moves farther forward. So this comes into the area that also will have its transfer RNA. Now we have the next AGU. And we look on here, AGU is serine. So the anticodon will be UCA. would be brought up close enough to here so that these two will now have an enzyme come and bond them together. Beginning protein. Once this happens, this transfer is released and it goes back out into the cytoplasm and will go back and pick up another leucine and be used with the ribosome again. That is what you have to show as a group to get 100%. Look it up.